All right guys, so I'm gonna get ready to put the transfer down on this plexiglass, and I'm a bit nervous and also excited. A bit nervous because I've never applied a transfer this size before. So again guys, really excited to see how it's gonna turn out. Hopefully we follow the steps and we have some tips and tricks along the way to help us get this aligned right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this done. Now I set myself up with some things that will help out, which is to actually use the backside of this plexiglass, and I made some lines and some grids so that I can know where the midpoint is going to be at. So that's going to help me align it up. Another thing that helps me out is our logo. It's actually pretty pointy on certain areas, so I'll know pretty much where the midpoint is going to be at. So I made a little bit of a line right here just to help me align this straight. And we're going to go ahead and use a heat press pad underneath here. This will help me keep it from scratching underneath and moving at the same time. So let's go ahead and get our blue tape. And let's go ahead and get this prepped up. So I'm going to line this up, and that's going to be the center. I'm going to go ahead and tape down the corner. Okay, now I've kind of got it pre-taped. I'm going to go to flip this back around, and I'm going to go ahead and take out this clear plastic film. Once I take this film out, I'm going to basically get ready to tape this top part down.